Yes, YouTube family. Need a location. Yesterday the gentleman, the guys them work. Chop out the wall and set the plug. By the way, we set plug. Our laws of Jamaica here say you plug in a flush building for not be less than 18 inches at 1'6" from the ground to the plug. At 1'6" from the surface of the ground here. From the surface of the ground here to the height of the plug here. 1'6", 18 inches. So then put it in and put in the switch. Understand? So you switch up on your left hand. Door go swing on your right hand. So then put in the switch. Next apartment and what else to finish up. See it? Gateway panel. Put in power, go up there, so pick up from the pipe there, 25mm. Pick up the power, come down in here. So we are going to use some 10mm main for this building here because the connection is just right over there and we only need at least 40 amp, the most we need for this building here. So we have a switch to the kitchen, like a small kitchen. So we are going to put plug inside the kitchen too. GFCI, and we're going to put plug in the bathroom. GFCI plug. Pipe will come up there, so switch here. Then have a pipe in the wall right here, so we also come in at the switch. And if we go in there, drink one out deck off a piece here. Them actually deck this area already. So we have a plug on the veranda. Around back we have a switch. Building under construction. We have another plug here or there. Notice them put in the on the box already. So they know they're gonna carry the plug, the pipes to those on the box. See? Now the pipe and the decking just fall a little out. So we have to chop it, carry it back. One day thing man, two-way switch from here, so two over there.